I invite you to keep your eyes closed. We are about to experience a very special journey connected to our energy body. That is the place that we sustain our consciousness. I guess everybody knows about those points in our body that we call chakras. If not, doesn't matter. You can join the journey as well. The starting point is our first chakra, our root chakra. It is related to everything in the world, all the things that were already here when we were born. I invite you to bring them, to recognize that as the beginning of your journey. This is the place where everything begins. In this moment, I invite you to feel yourself there. It reminds you of your childhood. There you are, in the space that you were born, your family, with all the traditions, all the things that they were already here. As you grow up, you recognize that in some points you think differently. There are things that only you can sense. You are different. Sometimes that's what we call the black sheep. Sometimes tradition is not agree with your point of view. That idea of being different is the energy of the second chakra, being yourself. Everybody has the power and the influence of the second chakra, so breathe with me. So raise your vibration and identify yourself in your second chakra. Feel your individuality. That's what you are. You are something completely different as everybody else. Your uniqueness is here. You are a unique creation in this universe. And this is the point where you can recognize that, your second chakra. We jump up from the first to the second. And as I recognize myself, I recognize that I need support. But not any type of support. I need divine support. And that divine support is located in our seventh chakra. That is at the top of our head, where is located the seventh chakra, or the energy of the Christ. That's where we call the Christ in me says, hello to the Christ in you. Everybody has a Christ in the crown chakra. So we're going to have a very profound journey from the second to the seventh. As I recognize myself as an individual, I need divine support. So I'm going to connect straight to my seventh chakra. Breathe. Breathe with me. And flow. Let the divinity support you. Let the divinity hold you. That's the way. Now that I know myself, I am supported by divinity. I am here, divinely supported. Once I am in contact with the seventh chakra, divine energy in me, I just connect to my heart, in the center of your chest. So let the energy goes down to the heart chakra. Here is where you recognize what is love. Once I am connected to love, I invite you to connect to your sixth chakra. Jump up to your forehead, your third eye, your intuition. So you connect your love with your intuition. Breathe. Connecting love with your intuition. That's perfect. And then, from the sixth chakra, we go down to the fifth. The throat chakra. The creation, the power of power is here. So whatever I say, I will say from my intuition. That comes from my love, that is sustained in my Christ, that is sustaining my individuality. You see how everything is connected. So as I am connected to my power, and every word that I say comes from my intuition, I just connect to my third chakra, my solar plexus, the one which is connected for the emotions. And I experience calm, peace. All the water in my life that represents emotions are in peace. No storms, no rainy days, just in calm. Sound. Inhale. Exhale. You're being sustained, you're being guided. I invite you to stretch your arms, move your fingers, your head to the left, to the right. Experience your divine presence being sustained in your body. As Jesus said, the temple. That's all we want. To experience the beauty of this life in this temple. And from that divine presence, putting together our hands, we can open our eyes and say, thank you. Thank you, divinity, for your presence in our temple. Aho.